Hello students, welcome to the class. How are you all? Hope you are fit, fine and healthy. So, myself Divyani Shukla, your SST teacher, and today I am going to start a very new chapter, which is chapter number 9, the means of travel and communication. Means of travel yani ki by which we travel from one place to another. There are many types of transport, or we can say there are many types of transportation facilities or vehicles by which we travel from one place to another easily. And communication yani ki how do we connect or how do we talk to each other. So there are different types of communicating tools or ways. So let's begin with this chapter. Observe the pictures and finish the sentence. First, a dash moves on the road. A car moves on the road. Likewise, you can do the remaining three. Now, moving to the first topic, which is means of transport by which we travel from one place to another. Ways to travel from one place to another are called means of transport. Long ago, people walked to travel from one place to another. Later, they started riding on animals. Then they invented the wheel and made carts. The cart could move on rough parts. Slowly, people invented bicycles, scooters, cars, trains, aeroplanes, ships and more. तो जो एक वे होता है एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ट्रैवल करने का, उसे हम मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट कहते हैं. इन अर्ली टाइम्स people used to walk everywhere for going to any places. Then the invention of wheel has took place, and then they make carts, and carts could move on rough path also. Slowly they invented bicycles, then scooters, then cars, trains, aeroplane, ships and more. Now, kinds of transport. There are many types of transport that helps us move and goods from one place to another. We can divide this into three major groups. So there are different types of transport. First is land transport, water transport, third is air transport. Let's discuss these. Land transport, which travel on land. Land transport means vehicles that move on land. We can divide it into three parts. Land transport ऐसे vehicles हैं जो कि land पे move करते हैं. We can also divide land transport into three parts. First is road, second is railway, third is metro. So road transport, which moves on road. We travel on land using roads. In cities, we use bicycles, buses, cars, motorcycles or e-rickshaws. Trucks carry goods to different places. Camels are used in desert and elephants are used in thick forest. तो ऐसे transport जो कि road पे move करते हैं, like bicycles, cars, buses, motorcycles, e-rickshaws, etc. Trucks also, and cars used in camels which are used in desert, elephants जिन्हें हम thick forest में use करते हैं. ये सभी हमारे road transport और road पे ही move करते हैं. Next is railway. Vehicles that move on rail. Apart from roads, there are railway tracks where trains run. Train carry many people and goods from one place to another. तो roads के अलावा हमारी railway tracks होती हैं, on which some vehicle like trains run, and train carry many people and goods from one place to another. Next is metro trains. Some large cities have metro trains. These electric trains mostly run underground, but sometimes they run on ground too. These are fast and help people travel quickly. तो metro trains क्या है? Basically electric trains हैं जो कि mostly underground run करती हैं, लेकिन वो ground पे भी run कर सकती हैं. They are fast. ये fast होती हैं इनकी speed, और ये लोगों की quickly travel करने में मदद करती हैं. Next is water transport. Vehicles that move on water. Some types of transport moves on water. People can travel from one country to another by ships. Ships also carry goods across the sea. For shorter distances, we use boats. Boats can carry only a few people. Water transport is slower but costs less than other type of transport. तो कुछ transport हमारे water पे भी move करते हैं. Those are called water transport. They are slower in speed, but they are less costly than any types of transport. Like people travel from one country to another by ships. By ships, they also carry goods across the sea. For shorter distances, we use boats, and boats usually carry few people. Air transport, vehicles that move in air or that can fly in the sky. Some types of transport fly in the sky. We can travel in the air using aeroplanes and helicopters. Aeroplanes and helicopters can go long distances quickly. Aeroplanes carry people and goods far away. Helicopters do the same but can reach places in mountains and forests. But we cannot reach by roads. तो कुछ ऐसे ट्रांसपोर्ट जो कि हमारे स्काई में फ्लाई करते हैं, we call it air transport. Examples can be aeroplanes and helicopters which carry people and goods from one place to another. हेलीकॉप्टर्स भी लोगों को या फिर गुड्स को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पहुंचाते हैं माउंटेन्स और फॉरेस्ट में, बट वी कैन नॉट रीच बाय रोड्स. नाउ इट्स द टाइम ऑफ एक्ट एंड लर्न. Write the names of the transport. You have to see the picture and write the names of the transport. Like in the first picture, you can see a truck. So the transport name is truck. Likewise, you can do the remaining three. Now, moving to the next topic, which is means of communication. How do we connect to each other? Some of the popular means of communication are, first is sending letters. We write letters to share our thoughts and news. We put them in red letter box. The postman collect the letters and take them to the post office. There they are sorted into groups. These letters are then sent to different places by buses, trains or airplanes where they reach the destination. Another postman delivers them to the correct address. We can buy stamps, postcards and envelopes from here. So we can buy any types of स्टैम्प्स, पोस्ट कार्ड्स और एनवेलप फ्रॉम पोस्ट ऑफिस. तो सेंडिंग लेटर भी एक मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है जिसमें हम लेटर्स लिखते हैं और उसमें अपने आइडियाज और थॉट्स को शेयर करके वी पुट देम इन द रेड लेटर बॉक्स. देयर द पोस्टमैन कलेक्ट्स दोज लेटर्स एंड पुट देम इन द पोस्ट ऑफिस. देन उन लेटर्स को कुछ कुछ ग्रुप्स में सॉर्ट किया जाता है. देन दे आर सेंट टू डिफरेंट प्लेसेस बाय यूजिंग बसेस, ट्रेन्स और एरोप्लेन्स. वहां से वो अपनी डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंचते हैं बाय postman. Postman delivers to the correct address. Postman delivers those letters to the correct address. Next is telephone. Telephone is a very quick way to communicate with others. We can use it to talk directly to our friend. So telephone एक बहुत ही क्विक वे है हमारे किसी भी फैमिली, रिलेटिव या फ्रेंड के साथ कम्युनिकेट करने का. Nowadays mobile phones are very popular. We can make and receive calls on a mobile phone anytime and anywhere. Mobile phones can also make calls to different states and countries. तो आजकल जो है वो हमारे टेलीफोन नहीं, मोबाइल बहुत पॉपुलर है by which we can make and receive any mobile, by which we can receive and make calls anytime and anywhere in any city or any state. Modern mobile phones known as smartphones have many extra features. We can use them to browse the internet. We can take photos, record videos, send text, SMS and watch TV. We can listen to the radio, enjoy music. These handy devices have made communication and entertainment very easy. तो modern mobile phones जिन्हें हम smartphones भी कहते हैं उन्होंने हमारी लाइफ बहुत आसान बना दी है. We can also call, we can record video, we can watch any kind of entertainment, we can use the internet, we can send text message, we can entertain ourselves. Now it's the time of act and learn. Encircle the correct word. You have to encircle the word which is incorrect. Like the first word is letters are sent through a post office or radio service. So letters are sent through a post office. So you will encircle it. So like this you can do the remaining. Moving to the next means of communication, which is computer. Is also a modern way to communicate. Computer is a modern way to communicate. It helps us send emails to people anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Computers have made the world feel much closer and computer ने हमारे world को ज़्यादा connected और closer बना दिया. Computer एक modern way communicate करने का by which we can send emails to any other person in the world. इंटरनेट कनेक्शन की मदद से हम कंप्यूटर से बहुत से लोगों से कनेक्ट भी हो सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज रेडियो बाय विच वी लिसन एनी न्यूज और म्यूजिक. नेक्स्ट इज Guglielmo Marconi invented the radio. Radios broadcast different programs like news, sports, commentaries and dramas for everyone to enjoy. Guglielmo Marconi जो थे उन्होंने हमारे रेडियो को इन्वेंट किया था. We can enjoy different programs like news, sports, commentaries and dramas on radio. Next is television, which is a wonderful way to share any news or information. Television is a wonderful way to share information. It was invented by John Logie Baird. It shows us many programs like news, sports and educational shows. Television helps us learn and have fun at the same time. तो टेलीविजन एक वंडरफुल वे है हमारी कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन या न्यूज शेयर करने का. इसे इन्वेंट किया था जॉन लॉगी ब्रेड ने. ये हमें अलग अलग तरीके के प्रोग्राम्स लाइक न्यूज, स्पोर्ट्स और एजुकेशनल shows दिखाता है. It helps us to learn learn and have fun at the same time. Next is newspaper. A newspaper brings us news and story every day. It tells us what is happening around the world. We can read it to learn about events and interesting topics. तो न्यूज़पेपर भी हमारे तक बहुत सी न्यूज़ स्टोरीज वगैरह पहुंचाता है. It tells us what everything is happening around the world. I hope you have understood it well. Now moving to the vocabulary. Invented, created something new. Invent यानी किसी चीज, कोई नई चीज क्रिएट करना. Carriages, vehicles with wheels pulled by animals. तो कैरेजेस ऐसे व्हीकल्स होते हैं जिसमें व्हील्स लगे होते हैं और उन्हें एनिमल्स पुल करते हैं. गुड्स, आइटम्स और थिंग्स. अंडरग्राउंड, बिलो द सरफेस, सरफेस के नीचे. ब्रॉडकास्ट, टू सेंड आउट रेडियो और टीवी प्रोग्राम्स टू एनीवन. ब्रॉडकास्ट यानी रेडियो या फिर टीवी प्रोग्राम्स पे ब्रॉडकास्ट करना, कोई भी चैनल दिखाना. डेस्टिनेशन, द प्लेस वेयर समथिंग और समवन इज गोइंग. डेस्टिनेशन यानी वो प्लेस जहां पे किसी को जाना है या फिर किसी को पहुंचाना है. नाउ लेट अस रिकॉल व्हाट वी हैव लर्नड इन दिस चैप्टर विद समरी पॉइंट्स. Ways to travel from one place to another are called means of transport. Some large cities have metro trains which are electrical. Some types of transport moves on water like ships and boats. They are cheaper. Communication is the way we send and receive messages and share our thoughts and news. We write letter to share our thoughts and news and post it to post office. The telephone is a very quick way to communicate with others. Computer is a modern way to communicate by we can send emails to each other. Guglielmo Marconi invented the radio and we can watch different types of things on radio. Television helps us learn and have fun at the same time, and also we can see what news is coming. A newspaper brings us news and story every day. It updates us with the latest news. I hope you have understood it well. Now think and answer. Exercise time. First is take the correct option. How do people travel long? By walking, by trains or by aeroplanes? तो लोग दूर जगह पर कैसे ट्रैवल करते हैं? By aeroplanes. What do camels help with? Swimming, desert or forest? Option B, desert. Which transport is slower but cheaper? Water transport, air transport or land transport? Option number A. Who invented the radio? Graham Bell, Guglielmo Marconi, John Logie Baird. Option number B. Now second exercise, fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. We use dash to travel in cities. We use e-rickshaws. Metro trains are dash trains, electric. Boats moves on water. Dash are used in thick forest for transport. Elephant. Dash invented the television. Who invented the television? John Logie Baird. Third exercise, tick for the true and cross for the false statement. People used to travel on foot long ago. Yes, this is true. Ships can carry many people and goods. This is also true. Metro trains run only on ground. No, this is incorrect. Modern mobile phones are also known as smartphones. Yes, this is correct. Thank you, students. That's all for today. Now we'll meet in the next class. Till the time, keep learning, keep doing great. Take care. Bye-bye, students.